Good morning everyone. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to learn counting back. Okay, you have learned the number from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When we are counting the number from here 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is called counting back. Okay, see here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 is the smallest from 1 to 10 and 10 is the greatest number. Okay. Here it is written in increasing order and this is in decreasing order. Okay. See in the book counting back 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is called counting back. Count back and write the number 1 has been done for you. How many balls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me count the spoons. Bats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here you have to write the number 9. Now we will see the chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 has to be written here. Now the caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 caps. Okay. Then how many chapatis? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chapatis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 has to be written here. Then how many chocolates are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 chocolates. How many mangoes? 1, 2, 3 mangoes. Okay, then 1, 2. How many pieces of cake? 2. Then this is only one doll. So see the counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is called the backward counting. Now we will learn more and less. What is more and what is less? See. Priya has 6 dolls and Richa has 9 dolls. So number 9 is greater than 6. So who is having more dolls? Richa. Because she is having 9 dolls. 9 is greater number than 6. So here we will find out. Okay. Count and write the number in each circle. Tick the number that stand for more and cross out number that stand for less. So which is more you have to make tick mark and which is less you have to make cross mark. Okay. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which is which has more? This has more and this is less. See here. How many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cherries? 1, 2, 3 cherries. This is less. So for less we have to make cross and for more we have to make tick mark. So how many cones are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cones. And how many ice creams? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So which is greater? This is greater. For greater or more we have to make tick and for less we have to make cross. So now we have to see the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has only 4 and here it is 6. So this is more. For more we will make tick and for less we have to cross. Okay. Now see the next page. Tick the set of the more octopus. So we have to count the octopus in each boxes and if which box is having more we have to make a tick mark. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 octopus in this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is greater? 5. 5 is greater than 4. So we have to make tick mark here. Tick the set of has less hats. So we have to count the hats, number of hats. And the box which is having less hats we have to mark tick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This box is having 8 number of hats. Let me count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which is more? This is more. And which is less? This is. So we have to tick mark on less because question is asking us tick the set that has less hats. Now comparing the number. Comparing means less than, greater than or equal to. Okay, how to compare? We have to see whether the number is less than the given number, set of number, or greater and then equal. Let me count the papaya. Count and write the number of objects in collection A and collection B. So in collection A, 1, 2, 3, 4 papaya. How many papayas? 4. And in collection B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 papayas. So here we have to write 6. We say that 4 is less than 6. In short, we write 4 is less than. This sign is used for the less than. This is the symbol in maths which is called less than. Okay, are you understand? So we can write 4 less than 6. See the number of bags here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. How many boxes? 7. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. It means A is greater than B. Means number of bags in A is greater than number of bags in B box. So we can say that 7 is greater than 5, or we can use this mark. Okay, opposite sign of this less than. 7 is greater than 5. Okay, this is the sign of greater than. Now the count the chicks in A box, then B box. 1, 2, 3. So here should be 3, and this is also 3. You know? So these all boxes, the A box and B box, both the boxes are having equal number of chicks. So we can use the symbol equal. Okay, this is the symbol of equal. Okay, 3 is equal to 3, or box A is equal to box B. Now we will see the exercise. Self practice 1B. Color the set that has less fishes. So here you have to color the number of fishes which is having less. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this box carrying 5 fishes and has less, and question is telling you color the set of less fish. So we have to color the fish. I am using the yellow. You can use any color to color this fish. Okay. So coloring the less number of fishes. So you also color with any color. I am having this yellow, so that I used yellow color. Okay. Now color the set that has more ducks. So we have to count more ducks. In first box there are only 2, and in the second box there are 3. So which is more? This is more. So we have to color this ducks with any color which you are having. Just use the color and make the color to the given ducks with any color. Okay. Now take the bigger number. 5 and 3. Which is bigger? We know 5 is bigger. 6 and 9. So which is bigger? 9 is bigger. In the C, which is bigger? 3 and 0. 3 is bigger. Okay. Take the smaller number. So we have to see the smaller. 7 is the smaller number than 8. Okay. 7 is smaller. Here 2 and 0. Which is smaller? 0 is smaller. And C, 9 and 3. Which is smaller? 3 is smaller. The number which comes before any number are smaller. The number which come after the number are bigger. Write smaller than, equal to, smaller than or greater than to make each number sentence true. So let me count. Already here it is written 7 and 8. So 7 is smaller than 8. Here number of balls are given in each boxes. It has 4 and here it is 3. So 4 is greater than 3. So we have to use this sign. The cakes. In first box there are 2 cakes. In second also 2 cakes. So we have to put equal to sign. Fill in the blanks with the correct sign. Okay. smaller than, greater than and equal to. So 7 is greater than 6. 7 comes after 6. So 7 is greater than 6. See the B. 6, 6 both are same. See the C. 9 and 5. 9 comes after 5. So 9 is greater than 5. Here see 8, 2. 8 comes after 2. So 8 is greater than 2. 1 and 0. 1 is greater than 0. 4 and 0. 4 is greater than 0. 3 and 5. 3 is smaller than 5. 5 and 1. 5 is greater than 1. 7 and 7. So we have to put equal to. And I hope you will understand till here. Okay.